My name is Keeshia Jones, and I am a student finance specialist here at Gateway Technical College in Kenosha, Wisconsin. I'm also the president of an African American breast cancer support group called Sisters Network, which hopes to help women affected by this diagnosis in the counties of Kenosha, Racine, and Milwaukee. And I am also a 3.5-year breast cancer survivor. During the pandemic, it was important for our group to make sure that women were still advocating for their health and going to appointments to get their annual mammograms and making sure that they still had information about self-checks and just the importance of staying healthy during the pandemic. Our Sisters Network of Southeast Wisconsin chapter was established in January of 2021. We immediately began holding virtual meetings once a month and inviting representatives from local area hospitals so that they could give information to our membership about just staying healthy and advocating for themselves. One of our very first meetings we held was in March of 2021. And we had a doctor speak to us about the importance of vaccines and also the different options that would be coming available and how it would affect women who needed to get their mammograms, because it was important to wait about 6 weeks after you had your shots before you actually had a mammogram so that you wouldn't have any false readings. As we were invited either virtually to speak at different programs, we would talk about the importance of staying healthy and social distancing. We would pass out PPE supplies. So if we were in person or if we could drop off materials, we would drop off information. We dropped off lots of masks, hand sanitizer, and just information about staying healthy and the vaccine overall. We have held our first in-person event here at Gateway Technical College. It was called She Day, or Sisters Health Empowerment Day, and that was on May 14th. 2022 here at the Gateway Technical College in Kenosha. We had over 90 women and about 20 different community partners like the Wisconsin Well Women Program, Advocate Aurora, Ascension, the Medical College of Wisconsin, Cancer Center, Fredert, and they were all giving great information about resources in the community, and we felt that that was important. We also had 3 nursing organizations available to do breast cancer screenings as well as blood pressure checks. So we had nursing professionals from Chi-Eta Phi, from Nurses Affecting Change, and the Racine Kenosha Black Nurses Association. So it's just important that we continue to come together. I myself am vaccinated. I am a mother of 4. I have a husband of 27 years, and so we are vaccinated. We did have our college students affected by COVID, and so we got to see firsthand how the virus, the symptoms, and then also just how it can affect you overall. So we are just thankful to be able to advocate for health in general for all. So that is why I am a part of the Sisters Network of Southeast Wisconsin.